In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see a Steam password while logged in. First, it's important to clarify something right away. You cannot directly view your current Steam password from inside your Steam account while you're logged in. Steam does not include a feature that reveals your existing password, and that is intentional for security reasons. So if you were expecting to open account settings and simply display the password, that option does not exist. If you've forgotten your Steam password, the correct and safest way to regain access is through Steam's official recovery process. Start by going to the Steam login screen. From there, click the option that says, Help, I can't sign in. After that, choose I forgot my Steam account name or password. Steam will then guide you through the recovery steps. Typically, this involves verifying your identity using your email address or your phone number associated with the account. Just follow the prompts carefully and complete the recovery process as instructed. This is the recommended method because it keeps your account secure and avoids any risky workarounds. Now, there is one other place where you may be able to view a saved Steam password, and that is through your web browser or your password manager, if the password was stored there previously. This does not come from Steam itself, but from the software you use to save login information. If you use Google Chrome, open Settings and go to Password Manager. There you can look for your saved Steam login and, if needed, use your device authentication to reveal the stored password. If you use Microsoft Edge, open Settings, then go to Profiles and then Passwords. From there, search for your Steam account details and check whether the password was saved. If you use Firefox, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security and then find Saved Logins. Locate the Steam entry and view the saved credentials if they are available. A quick tip here, browsers and password managers usually ask you to confirm your identity before showing a saved password, so be prepared to enter your computer password, PIN, or use biometric authentication. Also, only view passwords for accounts that belong to you or that you are authorized to access. That's important not only for privacy, but also for security and responsible account management. So, to sum it up, Steam itself will not show your current password while you're logged in. If you forgot it, use Steam's recovery option. And if the password was saved in your browser or password manager, you may be able to view it there instead.